Picked up this diamond mill locally. It's a horizontal mill. It has a vertical head attachment on it. I'm bringing it down my basement in pieces. Had to get it down those steps. That centerpiece weighs at least 250 pounds. I strapped it to a furniture dolly and come along it down the steps. I had to take the spindle out of it, put new belts on it, put 2 new seals, and it's coming along. I had a shaper sitting here that I had to take out. Had to get it out the same way, strap pieces of it to a furniture dolly and pull it up the steps. Well, I got the table on. This machine was so grimy, it was like a shellac. I had to scrape it off the bare surfaces with a razor blade, but I think that helped protect it because there wasn't a rust spot on this. Seems to work very well. Now I can put my attention to the drive. Okay, I got the drive together. Got it running. I put a 1 horsepower single phase motor on it. Just had to make a plate for the motor. It works out fine. I hooked up the vertical head. This vertical head's pretty nice. It'll swivel. You can loosen this nut back here, and this head will turn either way. It's got 3C collets, so I can use a 1/2 inch shank on an end mill. That's the largest one. I can use 3/8 also. Got this little palm grind vise that I had up in the shop and wasn't using. Turned out pretty good. Okay, now I got the horizontal setup on here. Other parts that came with this mill, other than the vertical setup here, is a 7/8 arbor. Here is some type of a boring bar. And then here is a 3/4 arbor. And they're all Brown and Sharp 9. Here's a pile of cutters I got with the deal. There's a drawer full of cutters that I have. Another drawer full, a couple more arbors. A lot of gear cutters in this pile. Here's my other diamond mill right here that I've been using. Yeah, I won't run out of 3/8 shank end mills for this mill, or 1/2 inch shank. And plus I can use all my Brown and Sharp tooling if I need to.